For these raw, vegan, meaty, cheesy wraps, remove the stems from at least 7 mushrooms. The method I'm showing makes them taste like chopped grilled steak. Clean and dice the mushrooms. Place into a silicone dehydrator tray. Pour a generous amount of coconut aminos on top and toss to coat every one. Dehydrate at 113 degrees for 4 hours. They shrink and firm up and look like this. Chop off the ends from one or more English cucumbers. Peel, slice into 3-inch pieces, and spiralize to make noodles. Place the cucumber noodles in a large glass dish. Peel 3 or more medium-sized carrots, cut off ends, and shred. Add to a glass pan. Wash and slice 1 green onion, add to pan, along with a bunch of chopped, freshly washed cilantro leaves. Place 1 collared green leaf flat on a large cutting board. Cut out a small section of the stem on the bottom to make this wrap easier to roll. For the base, add 1 small smashed avocado with a sprinkle of salt. I'm using pre-made avocado cups from Costco here. Add a generous amount of the shredded carrot, cucumber noodles, cilantro, green onions, dehydrated chopped mushrooms. The more, the yummier. For the cheese, sprinkle 1 or more tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast. The larger the leaf, the more nutritional yeast, mushrooms, and smashed avocado you'll want to add. Wrap carefully and firmly, tucking in both ends. I usually eat it like a huge Tootsie Roll, but I'm cutting it in half with a serrated knife here so you can see what it looks like inside and how cute these are. You can even pack them for a picnic or take them to work for lunch. The smashed avocado adds a rich creaminess. The shredded carrot imparts a slight sweetness and textural element. The cucumber noodles have a wonderful, subtle crunchiness. The nutritional yeast imparts a cheesy flavor. The dehydrated marinated mushrooms are the star, which tastes like cooked steak off the grill that's been sliced into bite-sized pieces. The collard wrap has a neutral flavor that holds it all together beautifully. This is so delicious. I hope you give it a try. Recipe in the description below. You might also like these raw vegan Japanese nori wasabi hand rolls and this 5-minute raw vegan blueberry yogurt you can eat right away. I'll put both of these videos on the end screen. Hope to see you soon. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.